hang on. Alright. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Rebellious Religion. Today we're doing a turbo kit on the Civic. Alright guys, so we got the car safely jacked up and on jack stands and ramps on the back, so it's all secure. Here in a moment we're going to get ready to go underneath the car and unbolt all the original exhaust system. So this was an aftermarket exhaust system. We're going to take it all out. We're not going to be using it anymore. We're going to have a hood exit. After that, went ahead and mocked up the pipe for the charge pipe on the cold side, and it's looking good. So yeah, here in just a minute we'll get up underneath the car and start taking the exhaust off.
Yeah, dude, this is bent. That's why it was leaking the whole time. This bolt's bent. Look. Yeah. That's where it was leaking from. That's why we couldn't get a good reading on the wide band. Oh, I gotta take that out too. Look how clean it is, though. For a Civic that sat in like grass for 5 years, you'd have never known it.
In the state of Indiana.
No, it's like
in Kentucky, but it's in Indiana now.
Yeah, it's been, well, it sat for 2 years in Indiana. Ooh. Roll pins wore out. I'll have to get a new one of them. That's why that shifter feels sloppy. Wonder how often we were shooting flames like through the exhaust onto everything. With that fuel leak. That was great, wasn't it? Good idea. Let's just hit two-step with the fuel leak. We're professionals. Don't try this at home.
Sorry guys if I'm a little shaky. The fan's blowing me away.
Wasting to nothing. They gave him the wrong order. Alright, so I should be able to take a header off now. I wonder if all these are 16s too. I hope. That'd make it super duper easy. They are.
We need a lift.
Yeah, we need a lift. Oh, that was loose too. You did a great job putting on your exhaust, AJ. Alright, we'll take a header off real quick and we'll leave this down here. And I think I brought crescent wrenches. We don't need the factory O2 sensor. We don't run that. Because it's junk. Narrow vents. Head up out. Okay. So, I guess we go ahead and put the rest of the bolt. Test pipe plug 1. Okay. No. We'll bleep them out. I'll figure out how to bleep them out.
Okay.
Or I'll cut it out, that section out.
I was gonna say if you time lapse through it, it'll bleep it out basically.
Yeah.
Make it sound like Little Chipmunk and me. Whatever it does.
Yeah. I gotta take my wideband out.
Huh.
Alright, so we got a
we gotta caulk the turbo so the oil feed line, the oil drain line straight up so it feeds the turbo good oil and doesn't get stuck in it, blow out the journal bearings, because this is a journal bearing turbo. You know, later on we may go to a ball bearing, but for now, journal bearing's just fine for the boost amount we want to push through it. So we'll get back to you when the turbo's clocked.
Focusing so hard. Said focusing so hard.
Pan off. I got one of these just bolt-in return line fittings, so we don't have to go weld one up because we don't have a very good welder here, and I don't want a chance of blowing through the pan. So we're gonna drill a hole right in between these two bolt holes right here, and then we're gonna put the return line in, and I'll get back to you when it's done.
About right there.
Oh, don't walk on me. Gasket on. No. Let's go ahead and wipe the shavings out of the way real quick so it's still good.
Yeah, don't forget to clean the inside of it.
Oh, I won't. You. And get your bags on. Alright, so we got the AN bung in the pan, so we're going to cut our AN line for the oil return. We went over under there and marked it, and we got it taped off so none of the braid frays out, so it's easier for us to get the AN line on. So we'll get this cut and get it all together, and then I'll show you screwing it in. Yep, just like that. All cut and ready for the AN line.
Focus.
So what we're doing now is we're building our AN line, our oil return line. So it's really easy if you've ever used AN fittings. All you got to do is put your little adapter sleeve. It's your little adapter sleeve, and you're gonna get it on the line. Sometimes it'll fight you, sometimes it won't. You're gonna get it on the line, and now it's got to go. There's a little lip in there. It needs to go all the way down to the bottom. So we're just gonna get it all the way down to the bottom. Now that's all the way seated in the bottom.
Hang on, it's got to focus. There it is.
So now it's all the way seated down the bottom. It's got a little ferrule fitting, and it actually crimps it in between the outside and the inside. So we'll take this, we'll push it in there, and screw it together. Now sometimes these are a real pain, you know, especially when you get down to the end. Other times, you know, it goes together really good. Some of these fittings are junk, some aren't. You just never know. Get you, I don't have an AN line wrench, so I'm gonna scratch the hell out of these. But
Must have started falling asleep.
Huh?
I left the camera down low.
Oh, did you? Yeah, you want to get a bond all the way out or it will leak.
Oh no. The struggle.
I'm telling you, dude, sometimes these are just amazing to put on. Oh, a little bit more, guys. A little bit more.
So did you leave a little bit of playroom down there, wiggle room, or is it just straight tight?
No, I left a little bit. Alright. Alright, there's your AM line all the way down. So we'll go down there and we'll screw it on to the overturn and problem solved.
Probably not, just the wood.